Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to spot a valid support and resistance, which is SNR. So for me, right, every trader have their different type of understanding about how to draw a SNR. And based on my experience, it really depends on what type of trader you are. For example, you are trading in 4-hour time frame as a swing trader, the SNR should be drawn based on daily. And if let's say you are trading as an intraday trader in 1-hour time frame, the SNR should be drawn in 4-hour time frame. And let's say you are a scalper that trade in only 15 minutes, you should just draw your SNR in 1-hour time frame. For me, I really encourage that you limit yourself not to trade in multiple time frame which is more than 2 or 3. It's better that you just focus on one single time frame or maximum just 2. And we don't need to draw every single SNR in daily, weekly, 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, 30 minutes, 50 minutes. It will be very messy because SNR shouldn't be your trading confirmation. SNR is just an area that you alert only to check the potential level, such as the breakout, reversal, your TP point, or even your stop loss. And SNR is not just based on a single price that can define. It should be a zone level that you should alert. So now I will show you how I draw the SNR in 4-hour time frame. So first, we have to understand about how the price move. So usually in normal chart, we can see that this is the structural level. We have the high, low, higher high, higher low, and higher high again. So what we need to do is we have to spot something like so-called the resistance become support, which means that the price that go up make the resistance, the price went down. After another breakout again, when the price come back down to the previous resistance level, it become the support that supporting the price and bounce back up. So what we need to do is we have to find the potential level of resistance become support or the support become resistance, which is we have the low, high, lower low, lower high, and lower low again. So this is, we call it support here. And after the price break out the support, it become the resistance that holding the price, and the price goes lower. So now I will show you that which type of level that I mentioned just now in live chart. And maximum I will just draw 4 support resistance is with the current price. I think it's good enough. So you can see that this is 4-hour time frame in Euro US dollar. And if let's say you can't spot the structure, you can use the tools that draw the line. We have the low, high, lower low, lower high, lower low again. So you see that this is the bounce level, and when you spot this level, you can move to the left and see that is that any resistance become support or support become resistance area. So we have this area, number 1, the bounce area. Then we look at the left, the support, right? And we can see that here is the resistance level, the previous resistance level, and the previous support level as well. So for me, this is the valid level. So I will just place a line in this level first, and later on I would only adjust the BRN number. So this is the first line that I just placed. Another one, look at this area. This is the support area. So move to the left. Is that any support level as well? Okay, I can see here, support area, but I need to find out that resistance. So where is the resistance? Here is the resistance level. So do we have resistance become support? Yes, we have the resistance break up, come back to become support, and continue. So this is the area that I want to tag as well. I will mark this one. So we have two support at the current level, and we need to find out two resistance level. So as you can see that here, this is the bounce area. So previous, do we have any support? You can see here. We can see here. We can see here. So if let's say you're asking me, what about this area? What about this area? So we can see that, okay, potentially this is could be the resistance as well, because when we place this level, number one is nearer compared to this level, right? So our target is we have to draw two more resistance. So number one, I will take this one because this is a support, resistance, and resistance. The top one, resistance, support, right? So now I will just remove all the rectangle and just leave only the support and resistance line. Okay, this is how I have removed the rectangle and left only the support and resistance. So what kind of resistance and support to me is invalid? So for example, this kind of area. You see, this is only resistance only. This is only resistance only. They don't have really the so-called the support in this area to support it. So for me, if let's say when the price momentum come, it can break up easily to the next resistance. But as I mentioned, support and resistance, it will not be your trading confirmation. It is just the area that to remind or alert you to look for potential setup. So what I will do after I draw the line, I will adjust the line to BRN number, right? This one I will just move to the psychological number. This one 03, and this one will be, let's say. So after this is 4 hour time frame. So I am trading in 1 hour time frame. So I will go to 1 hour time frame to see whether I need to adjust it to the proper number or not. So for me, this is okay. I can see that the arrow is supporting, you can see. Alright guys, so this is how I draw my S&R level. I hope this video is useful to you. And if let's say you are drawing in different time frame, you can just use the same strategy, skill on how I draw the S&R. And please let me know if let's say you have any question, leave your comment below and I will answer it personally later. Thank you. Bye bye.